course it's messy. It's all Darth Vader all the time here. It is. Did you want me to like pretend like this office is not messy? Okay, guys. Good morning. It is Monday. The air conditioning is right over us. That's probably not super helpful right now. I'm like late, super late. But I just thought I would just like start chatting with you because I think today is gonna be kind of a fun day to bring you with me. And so that's what I'm gonna do. As you can tell, this is the next step in our process. Today I need to get my hair done so that I can film a couple of things. One of them is a video later this afternoon, but this morning I'm actually going into my company's office, Aftermark, and essentially film a web video, obviously, but it's specifically for the front page of my new website. So it's gonna be a little different and weird, and I'm not gonna talk at all, which is actually a nice change of pace. Anyway, I'm late. Uber's picking me up to go get my hair done, so we gotta do that now. Let's go. It's before London?
No, I don't remember. It's a week before it's 4 days before we go to Craneware for a week.
Oh, really?
Down in Florida.
I like this tripod, Blake.
Yes, that's one we just bought. Yeah.
Where'd you get it from? What is it?
Punk. I don't know what name it's Punk.
It looks really...
Punks?
Do you travel with
Punks
it?
Quarry.
Oh.
We're just three-legged thing. That's the name of it.
Oh, that's what a three-legged thing.
I kind of want it.
It's from the UK. It's made in the UK.
Yeah, England.
Nice.
Design and engineering.
I'm all about the UK. That's not surprising.
Is it?
These are my people. You know, I am a little bit English. I am, Rich. I am a little bit English.
Like,
What?
It's not messy.
Of course it's messy. It's all Darth Vader all the time here. It is. Did you want me to like pretend like this office is not messy? Okay, guys. I'm at Aftermark Studios, where it is spotlessly clean. We just got done shooting something. I'm all dressed, ready to go. I just made Blake work like crazy. Oh gosh, wow, that office is really clean.
We just got done shooting. Listen.
Oh my god. No, I'm kidding. You guys worked all weekend. What'd you do this weekend?
Filmed with Braxton Miller at
OH?
IO.
Okay, so they set up a white background for me because obviously. And it took a lot of work because, you know, you got to get the light right to make it look bright and white, but we nailed it. These are the pictures that I wouldn't let Vin bring home.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
What are they? Tell people what they are.
This is Khaleesi riding one of her dragons with the Dothraki.
Khaleesi, your
horde.
dog?
No. Khaleesi.
Oh, Khaleesi,
like, from Game of Thrones.
Oh, of course, that show
And
you
that's
like.
a Dothraki horde that she's leading. She's the Khaleesi of. Isn't it pretty
Fascinating.
bad? It's pretty gnarly, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's actually an original HBO print.
Really?
Yep.
That one too?
That one is also Game of Thrones. That is one of the dragons after they burned a rival horde.
Do you have any idea what that picture is, or are you just making this up?
Oh, I'm dead serious.
Okay. Did you see these episodes?
I've seen every episode.
Of course.
How many times?
That is James Dean riding a Porsche.
Riding.
Smoking a cig.
Nice. It's a Porsche.
He's
356.
driving.
Riding.
He's riding through LA.
He's riding dirty.
He's got a sticker
Riding.
on it.
So actually, really cool what that one is. He's riding a Porsche 356 through LA that was actually taken in LA by photographer Sanford Roth, which is really, really interesting.
How do you know that?
Because the folks at Classic Stills told me about it. It's also like super authentic. I have all the.
Oh, you have authentication for all
Yeah,
this
yeah,
stuff?
So it's actually like numbered.
Wow.
There's only 150 prints
Of that?
made of that. Yeah.
I think this
And
is
you
6.
got one?
Yep.
Number 6. I think.
And that's like.
Well, that one you can bring home then.
Yeah.
Blake.
So the James Dean estate actually owns that entire like
Really?
run. Yeah, it's fully licensed by them, so they've actually allowed that to be printed.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Cool.
Pretty cool, right?
Cool. So, okay, where'd you get them?
Classic Stills.
Did you buy them?
Classic Stills sent those over to me,
Oh my god, that's so nice.
and they said, "Why don't you make your podcast studio look legit?"
Yeah, why don't we dress it up a little, guys?
Yeah.
Were they underwhelmed? You do have this amazingness back here.
Oh, we have the Ivy.
The
but there's
Ivy.
nothing like having James Dean behind Blake.
Wrigley
It's
Wall.
very.
No, it really, really sets a tone here.
And
It
then,
looks
of course,
nice.
Game of Thrones, like there's nothing like Khaleesi and a dragon behind me.
I could not feel more
I
differently.
can totally have Khaleesi near me all the time.
You literally tell me that every day to
My dog.
guilt trip me that you
And
don't live with your
Khaleesi.
dog.
Really
So already there's 2 Khaleesi's that are higher up on the totem pole than me.
correct.
That's
And
amazing.
Lucy.
What are the odds of that in anyone's
Lucy.
lifetime? To me and Lucy, of course.
Lucy.
Well, if you guys want to see more of this backdrop, you have to tune into Brainwork.
Yes.
How's Brainwork going?
The Brainwork podcast is
That's why they have all these microphones. I was on the show once.
It's on a little bit of a hiatus at the moment.
Why?
We'll be back in the fall because
That's
we're
a-
traveling too much and we don't have time to get people in
Fall,
the studio.
winter, probably
You guys
December.
should really watch a video about calendar blocking and batching your work. I hear there's this YouTube channel.
There is. There's a great YouTube. Oh, there's a great YouTube channel that that allows us to do that.
All right, and no photo love for Rich. You don't have a classic still up here,
But I have an accent wall.
but you do have an accent wall.
the accent wall.
Silver lining, I love it. All right, thanks for filming it today, Blake. I appreciate it. And Vin made me laugh, as per usual.
Can we bring? Do you want to bring some of these prints home?
No, it sounds like Blake would be super sad and cry himself to sleep.
I'm smoking James Dean here. What do you think? Sit here and-
And these are definitely not coming home. You can have this fetish here all to yourself.
Whatever. You know what you could do too? You could take the H1N and go out and into the camera.
Why would I do that?
So you have one file instead of have to match it.
Oh yeah,
But
that's no big deal.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Amy. My favorite color is clear. And I like to subscribe for good vibes.
Do you hear that? He's making
My
fun.
name is Amy, and my favorite color is clear.
And I'm testing the Rode NTG2 with the Zoom H1 and a Canon 70D with a Sigma 30mm 1.4 art lens. Yes, I know all the gear all the time because my name is Vincenzo, the gear guy.
Cute. So much filming happening today. I didn't get my new mic in time, so I had to film earlier with my old mic, but I'm getting this new guy set up and Vin is helping me. I know it's so backlit right now, but like, it's a Rode, if you could have guessed.
It is the Rode NTG2.
Anyway, my announcer friend here, he's helping me get it set up so that it doesn't sound crappy because it was sounding crappy before. But I'm excited. I think it's gonna be,
My favorite color is clear.
who's listening to it back now?
And I like to subscribe for good vibes.
There was just a little bit of ambient noise I didn't like. But anyway, I'm excited because my other mic has been really good to me.
Yeah, at 80. Oh.
It's okay. My other mic has been good to me, but it's not really amazing for I waved my hands around a lot and I was hitting the mic a lot. So.
That's at input level 80 on that.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can still hear my chair creaking because that's how you know it works. Because my chair
probably
creaks.
go down a little bit lower too. I bet you go to 75 if you want to reduce some more of the hits.
I think it's good.
Okay.
As long as it's not peaking.
No, not at all.
No, it sounds good. It might sound like a little bit bigger of a room than it did before, but not by much. And I usually prefer that a little bit because I don't like to lose my tone of voice in a really small area of audio. It's gross. I don't like it. What are you doing?
Is this video?
What are you doing? So it's been a couple of days. I've just been like working all day today, but my team is on set. So I'm dressed in all black because I'm gonna go stop in and make sure they're doing okay. Turns out they need a steamer, wardrobe. You know I've got wardrobe. Like, just call me in. I can help you with the wardrobe stuff. Anyway, so I have to run because there's an Uber picking me up. And I'm gonna run out to Hilliard and see how the shoot's going. So I wanted to bring you with me since this has been sort of like a theme vlog of filming. And I think it's gonna be cool. So let's go. Oh my God, these are mine. Those are the ones I wear, only in my left eye because they're toric. And I just placed an order, so that's probably my box. Literally, that's probably my box. That's a wrap. Nice job, Blake.
Get that good light.
Rocked it. Yeah, get that light while we can, right? Nice job, Jesse. Good job, team. Good job. Good work. Way to get the light. Way to get the light.
I don't want to take it down.
I know. Can we bring this home?
I got numerous pictures.
Need that in my life.
Yeah. Oh, you would love to watch.
Oh yeah. Gotta get back home. I gotta post a really fun video today I'm excited about. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I think that's all the filming I'm gonna share with you for now. Vin's leaving tomorrow for Calgary. A couple days later, I'm going to Dallas. He's meeting me in Dallas. So yeah, a lot of fun. Going to the NSA Influence event. I'm doing a panel on the main stage, so that should be super awesome. And a lot of other stuff after that. I'll tell you later. It'll be great. That's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you subscribe for good vibes. I'm in the middle of like a industrial park, just like closing out my video. It's not weird. Remember to continue to go after the life you want. Cheers. Gotta go. Oh, black leather in the summer. One of my favorite. Oh.